Hi, in this video I'm going to go through question 6 on the MAT 2007 paper. So in this question there are three people called Alf, Beth and Gemma, and they sit together in the same room. And one of them always tells the truth, one of them always tells a lie, and the other one of them tells the truth or lies at random. And in each of the following situations we are asked to determine how each person acts. So in the first situation, Alf says, "I always tell lies." Beth says, "Yes, that is true, Alf always tells lies." And we're asked, who always tells the truth, who always lies? Well, okay, so suppose Alf always did tell lies. Well then, this would be a true statement, but if he always lied, then he would not be able to say anything true. So we know that Alf isn't the one who always lies. But similarly, if he always told the truth, then this would be a lie, and so he wouldn't be able to say that either. And so we know that Alf doesn't always tell the truth either, and therefore he must sometimes lie and sometimes tell the truth. And so Alf must be the one who acts randomly. But now we see that what Beth says is a lie, because Alf doesn't always tell lies. So Beth must be the one who always lies, and that leaves Gemma, and she must be the one who always tells the truth then. Okay, and for part 2 we're told to suppose instead that Gemma says Beth always tells the truth and Beth says that's wrong, and we're asked to determine who always tells the truth and who always lies. Okay, so suppose Beth always did tell the truth. Well then, Gemma's statement would be a correct one, and so if Beth always told the truth, she wouldn't say that Gemma was wrong. And so we know that Beth isn't the one who always tells the truth. But now suppose Beth was the one who always lied. Well then, Gemma's statement is wrong. So when Beth says that she's wrong, she's actually telling the truth. But that's not possible if she's the one who always lies. And so we see that Beth can't be the one who always lies either. And so Beth must be the one who sometimes tells the truth and sometimes lies. But then if Beth is the one who acts randomly, she isn't the one who always tells the truth. So Gemma's statement is a lie. So because we know Gemma isn't the one who acts randomly, she must always lie or always tell the truth. Then because her statement is a lie, she must be the one who always lies. And that must mean that Alf is the one who always tells the truth. Okay, for part 3 now we're asked to suppose instead that Alf says Beth is the one who acts randomly, and then Gemma says Alf always lies. Then Beth says, "You have heard enough to determine who always tells the truth." And we're asked to figure out who always tells the truth and who always lies. Okay, so let's try and determine who always tells the truth, because if we can do that, then that's great, we've worked out who always tells the truth. And if we can't do that, then we know that Beth is lying. So suppose Alf was the one who always told the truth. Well then, his statement is true, so Beth is the one who acts randomly. And Gemma's statement, that Alf always lies, would be wrong. And that's okay, because if Alf always told the truth and Beth acts randomly, Gemma must be the one who always lies. So we don't have any contradictions, but that doesn't tell us for certain that Alf is the one who's telling the truth. Because, for example, if Beth had been the one who always told the truth, then we could also have had that Alf be the one who always lies, because this indeed is a lie, and if Gemma acted randomly, that she can tell the truth, so the fact that her statement would now be true is still okay. So we don't actually have enough information to determine who always told the truth. I mean, we've just shown it could be Alf or it could be Beth. So actually we know that Beth's statement here is a lie. Well then, that must mean that Beth is either the one who always lies or the one who acts randomly. So let's see what would happen if Beth was the one who always lied. Well then, we see that Alf's statement is false because Beth isn't the one who acts randomly. And also Gemma's statement is false because Alf isn't the one who always lies, Beth is. So now we have two false statements. But then we see that we have something that is impossible, because we know that if Beth is the one who always lies, then one of Alf and Gemma must be the one who always tells the truth. So we can't have both of their statements being lies. And so Beth can't be the one who always lies, so she must be the one who acts randomly. Well, now, if we know Beth acts randomly, then one of Gemma and Alf always lies and the other always tells the truth. But we see that Alf's statement is true, and so Alf must be the one who always tells the truth. And so Gemma is the one who always lies.